In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a word search puzzle for kids in Canva. This is a fun and easy activity page perfect for beginners. And by the end, you'll have a colorful, kid-friendly puzzle ready to share. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile device. On the home screen, click Create a Design to start a new project. In the search bar at the top, type Word Search and press Enter. You'll see a gallery of ready-made layouts. Choose a word search puzzle template designed for kids. Look for clear grids, big type, and playful styling so it's easy for little learners. With the template open, click the letters grid and edit the letters manually. This is where you hide your words and fill the rest with random letters. Keep everything in uppercase for clarity, and avoid tricky letter pairs that look similar. If your puzzle is for younger kids, keep words running mostly across or down so it's not too challenging. Next, replace the word list with kid-friendly words such as animals, colors, or fruits. Sticking to a theme makes the activity more engaging. Aim for short, simple words, and double-check that each one actually appears in the grid after your edits. Adjust the font size so the letters are easy to read. If the grid feels cramped, bump the size up or increase letter spacing slightly so each character stands out. Make sure the entire puzzle fits clearly on a single page. Now change colors to make everything playful and child-friendly. Choose a high-contrast letter color against a light background so the grid is legible, and use bright accents for headings or borders to keep it fun without being distracting. Add a title at the top like, "Find the words." Pick a bold, friendly font and position it so it frames the puzzle nicely. If you want an extra touch, explore elements and add a few cute icons or shapes that match your theme. Keep decorations to the corners or margins so they don't cover the grid. When you're happy with the design, click Share, then Download. For worksheets you'll print, choose PDF, Print. For digital use, like sharing on a tablet, choose PNG. Finally, click Download and save your puzzle. And that's how you make a word search puzzle for kids in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.